You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, this is confusing, so let's clarify the pronunciation if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary. Medical terms, stay tuned about more videos. Perineal. Perineal. Oh, no, it's actually perineal. Alright, it's not perineal. 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 Some may say perineal as well. Perineal or perineal. But remember that it's on the neal syllable you want to stress. Perineal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.